Hey folks, how's it going? In this video, I will talk about essential applications for Linux user. If you are using Linux, you can find alternatives to everything, whether you are choosing distros or software. Here, I made a list of the essential applications according to my preference. I'm not saying these are the best, but according to my requirement and the purpose of using these apps, for me these are the best one. You may have your own list of favorite applications. You are more than welcome here to share it. So let's begin with number 1. This application is very useful to manage your passwords. It is called Keepass. Today you need password for almost everything. Websites, email accounts, web servers, network logging, and so on. And also you should use different password for each account, because if you use same password everywhere and someone gets it, then you're done. The hacker would have access to all your accounts. KeePass is free open source password manager which helps you to manage all your password in a secure way. It stores all your passwords in one database which is locked with a master key. So you only have to remember one single master key. Number 2. Qbittorrent. Qbittorrent is the closest Linux alternative to uTorrent. It has all the features you need, from integrated search, peer exchange support, encryption, port forwarding, IP filtering, and download queues. Number 3. Timeshift. This is user-friendly backup solution are pretty rare on Linux, but if you have Debian system, you can use Timeshift to make incremental backups. It is free and open source. Number 4. Thunderbird. Thunderbird is a free and powerful email client. The setup wizard instructs you through the process of either creating a new email address or setting up your existing one. Thunderbird's database contains email settings for all common providers, and you can add as many email accounts as you wish. Number 5. Libreoffice. Libreoffice is open source drop-in replacement for Microsoft Office. It includes all of the tools you would expect to find in an Office suite. Word processor, presentation, spreadsheets, formulas, everything you will find it here. Number 6. Kdenlive. This is one of the best free video editing programs available for Linux. It is based on KDE, MLT, and Qt framework. It has ton of useful features, which includes split audio and video timeline, multi-track video editing, configurable interface and shortcuts, and variety of stunning effects. Number 7. Shotcut. This is another free video editing software. It is free open source video editor that's available not just for Linux but also macOS and Windows. It has features that can support latest 4K videos, and it has wide range of editing effects. Number 8. Audacity. Audacity is most powerful tool for basic editing. It can record audio from various inputs. For example, USB microphone or an electric guitar at the same time. It supports multiple track. It also supports plugins to extend its functionality. Number 9. VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player is the best player, there is no doubt. So I must include this on my top 10 list. One of the best thing about VLC is when you install it, it will install all the necessary codecs, so you don't face any trouble while playing any media format. You can use VLC to clip video files and even convert them from one format to another. Number 10. Clementine. This is another great application as audio player. One of the key features of this application is you can manage your entire music library in no time if you have a large collection. It's light, fast, and very user-friendly. Clementine also includes great equalizer and built-in Linux desktop notification. Number 11. Darktable. Darktable is an open source photography workflow application and raw developer. It is a virtual light table and darkroom for photographer. It manages your digital negatives in a database, lets you view them through a zoomable light table, and enables you to develop raw image and enhance them. It is available for all Linux platform, Windows and Mac OS. Number 12. GIMP. GIMP is an image manipulation program. It can be used to edit and retouch by resizing, adding layers, and other special effects. It offers almost every type of tool you will ever require to manipulate image. So these are the applications I use on my system, and according to that I can tell you these are the essential application you should install. Okay fellas, that's it for today's video. Let me know if I missed anything in the comment below, and if you find this information useful, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.